don't talk am before say JavaScript will change or control things for inside our web page. Right now, we want to see how we take control or change one or two things. We go do what they call input. Input just be like say anything if you write or if you type inside your web page. For example, your web page is telling you type your name, username, password, all those kind of things. So once we change them or once we put them, we will change them with JavaScript. So we'll first say this head one, so we'll call them name, or we'll give them the ID or ID card of name. Then we will print this one for our web page. What we want to do now is say this apples now don't do our web page like this, but we want to change them to another thing. So the first thing we will do for here, we need label. We'll label what we want to do. And the label, if you write anything for the label, for example, we'll put new name because we want to change this apples to another name. The next thing is to take the input. First, we will give them the ID of my input or any other thing we feel like. I'm using my input. Then we'll close them. Right. Another thing we will do now is say if you can go put button, so that when you put your name and you click the button, JavaScript will come begin to do its own work. So go to the button tag, we'll open up and put ID. We'll say my button. If you name it anything like, we'll say my button 1. Right, close them, and if you say maybe of course on top button you see things that say click here or anything like we want right on top the button, we'll use click here to change. Now we'll go our JavaScript, we'll go see how if we take press this button, we'll press the button, then we'll do input, then press the button, then the name will change. Input will collect the new name we want to put for our JavaScript main use. For inside JavaScript, we'll first clear everything with here. Then we'll set new variable. We'll call my name. This variable will be empty for now. Don't forget to say variable now container with the old value. So this particular variable will set, you don't get any value like this, but we'll put value inside just now. So we'll use document, get document by ID. Now we'll first call the button. If you go back, go check what you name your button. You cannot make mistake. Copy them. Then you put them for here. Now, don't forget to say we don't say this button, so we want to do one or two work, or when we click on, we want to make something happen. So what we will see, we say once we type our name, we'll click the button and the name will change. So we'll use this dot on click. Say once we click on, make something happen. For inside coding, function are things really make control the happen or makes activity the happen. So it's like a job man who they give job, say go do so thing for us. So we need function. So which function we want make it do for us? Anything we want me to do for us, we put them inside this curly bracket. The first thing we want to do, once we click this button, make it store something inside our name. Which we want to store inside our name? We want to store anything we say we put for the input. Right, so go to document, let's get document by ID. Then we'll put my input. If you go back, go check the name, we will name this input. we'll copy them. So then we'll put dot value. Alright, so within this one maybe say we get value for here and we get variable for here. But normally, you know, so if we set value, we just put the value straight away. This one, we won't collect the input. We won't bring and come here, then we won't set them inside my name variable. After we do this one, we also say document, get document by ID. Then we'll talk what we won't work on. We won't work on this particular name with the SO. So we'll pick the ID card or the ID of the name, we'll identify them. If you copy any name where you name them, paste them for here. Then we'll use our normal .text to content. Text content. So if you see this name now, what we want to change them to, we say okay. We'll use our template literal. We'll say we want to change them to my new name. You don't need to say my new name or anything. You just say we'll use our template literal. Then we'll say my name. Or if you even add something, hello or welcome, we'll use welcome. So what we do for here now, I say we put button for our web page. If you click the button with this on-click function, we won't make something happen. So we set down, say, and the function will happen with this. We'll put all the function will happen inside this curly bracket. Then what we want to do for the function, we say we won't collect the input we will type in. We won't save them inside my name. I want to make sure say this function change the name. This name we did there before. This particular name I pause. Make it change them to the new name where we input. So after that one, we won't use window.alert. We'll just say window.alert, and you'll see within window.alert they do for us. If we just push alert, say done or change or name change. Don't forget to end your code with this semicolon. Now I'm gonna go see how go take play out. Now the name we will put for our web page with this pause. Here now the label, if you change them to anything you like. Here now the input or the input box, and here now our button. If you change them to anything you like as well. If you put button, click here, anything where you won't put, and just name for the button. So we'll change the name to B. If you use click here, you'll see name changed. This one at the window.alert what we do. Then you'll see welcome will be. That change don't happen like this. Now I'm going to use our CSS to design our input box and our button. So I'm going to go to the CSS file. For the CSS file, we'll say input. Don't forget say the name of that tag with that input and button. So the input will get multiple padding. More up to 8 pixels. We'll also put margin. We'll set the margin for 5 pixels 0. We'll also do the border. This one are the border with the surround the text box. So we'll give them make it just may not too thick, so we'll put down 1 pixel. And if you change all these numbers, make it see how they work. So we put am solid red so that we fit see what we mean. If you increase am to 2-3, the border of that text will be of that text box will begin to increase. The next one we want to do now to change the border radius. This one go just design and make it there round one kind. So instead of that box we get, we just set down to like 40 pixels. Make it for round small. So the next thing we'll just see, we need many of the same thing. We'll copy them, paste them, we'll use them for the button. So for the button, we'll get maybe we'll set the button to adding 10 pixel, 15 pixel. You also get we'll change the margin to font size. We'll use font size for here because don't forget say we will write something on top the button. So we change the font with the on top. We'll change this one to 16 pixel. We'll put on for 18. No bad. So we'll give them color as well. We'll say background color. So background color. We'll say aquamarine blue. Then we'll give them color itself. I mean the right thing we will do there. We'll get your own color. So we'll do color. We'll put the right thing for black. And this one feel no fine, but you will see what I mean. Then if you say cursor I just say different kind of cursor, arrow, different type. We'll use pointer, so it will show pointer. If you change it to anything we like, we'll set maybe. Like this, you will see all the changes really make. And as they do them, if they change, or we can see how if they increase or change color and do those kind of things. So if you see say the aquamarine background color we'll put, it don't show up for here, and all this one set don't show up. If you design everything one by one, just like this. So we'll use more of these things, and I will show you how if you design them more. If you add more code to this CSS, for example, if the input there on focus, or for example, we put our pointer on top and say we carry pointer and go meter, maybe we won't use them. Some colors will change with this particular type of CSS we will add, and we will learn more about this ones later. Also, if we talk say once we touch them, make it begin the change color. So different ways we say if we design them. Also the button, if it is active, make it change to green. So most say I play. If you check them now, you go see if you touch them and that thing could happen. If you touch this one too, or we put our, let's say it is active, we won't use them, this thing will just light up. If you click them, it will change to green because we don't set them say once clicked or when they active, make something happen. So now this different ways we feel add more designs to our CSS.